लंच मैं चाहती थी कि मेरा ब्रेन मोस्ट एक्टिव स्टेट में रहे फ्रॉम 2 to 5 बिकॉज नीट का भी एग्जाम 2 to 5 में होता है एंड आई वुड एक्चुअली सजेस्ट टू यू कि आप अपना ब्रेन को भी एक्टिव रखो 2 to 5 फॉर 3 hours. Hi guys, this is Meenal and today I'll be going to share the realistic timetable followed by most of the topper students. If you are a student of NEET 2026, then this video is for you to actually how stay consistent and how actually toppers make their timetables of daily basis. In this video I will actually explain you how to keep your schedule in track, and I will also be providing you a ready-made timetable for NEET aspirants who are giving next year in 2026 that you can actually start following from tomorrow on. See, I am going to keep this schedule very realistic and very convenient for you to follow. So we are going to start our day at 6 or 6:30 according to you and your online classes or offline classes, how you are comfortable with the schedule, because majority of the students go offline coaching classes. Do not make it late more than 7. Also includes having breakfast, taking bath, brushing and everything, just freshen up completely. By morning 7 a.m. I expect you to actually start your online lectures or offline classes, however you have planned it in your way. 7 to 1 or 1:30 depends on teachers and how the time is scheduled, but if it differs for you, then mold this schedule according to you. So I have left first part of the day for all your recorded video lectures, offline classes, online lectures, everything for you. The major part comes to the second half of the day, which I have scheduled it briefly for you. See, the break between 1:30 to 2, I would say give it for lunch, or if your class ends at 1, give 1 hour for lunch, sleeping and everything. Don't take extra time there. Next, coming to 2 to 5. This is the most important session because आप जो नीट का एग्जाम दोगे 2026 में, that is going to be from 2 to 5, right? So keeping your brain active for that 3 hours is very very important. So give that time for physics and chemistry. 1.5 hour for physics and 1.5 hour for chemistry, because आपका माइंड का अटेंटिव होना उस टाइम पे इज वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी. रिवाइज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक सिलेबस और द करंट वीक और द बैकलॉग्स दैट यू हैव बीन केप्ट फॉर सो लॉन्ग एंड यू हैव बीन नॉट बीन डूइंग दोज थिंग्स. ये भी करते हैं कि 3 घंटा पूरा फिजिक्स पढ़ रहे हैं या दे आर डूइंग 3 hours फुल केमिस्ट्री. डोंट डू इट बिकॉज देयर इज अ चांस ऑफ गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड और गेटिंग बोर्ड एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. Changing subjects is a very precise manner to be consistent. Okay, so now we are complete with our 2 to 5 ka batch. Next comes 1 hour ka proper break. It's actually necessary because from morning to afternoon you are going with your lectures, and from 2 to 5 you are actually exhausted doing chemistry and physics. So 1 hour ka break is actually compulsory. Have snacks or sleep. I would recommend from 5 to 6 have a good break and come back to 6 for your study hours. Treat in a manner कि यार कल मेरा एग्जाम है, आज तो पूरा कंप्लीट करना ही है. उस तरह का मोटिवेशन रहेगा, तभी आप 6 बजे वापस आके बैठोगे. बिकॉज दोस्त लोग आएंगे, खेलोगे, खाओगे, सब करोगे, लगेगा नहीं 6:30 बजे बैठते हैं, 7 बजे बैठते हैं. नो, यू हैव टू कम बैक एट योर डेस्क एज 6 PM in the evening. आओ, बैठो और पढ़ना चालू करो. Want to get active again to study and you need motivation to study, and biology is mostly basically ratta part, so you can do it for 2 hours or 1.5 hours, 6 to 7:30 or 6 to 8 PM as you wish. After that only take half an hour ka dinner break. Do not take more than that, or more 45 minutes here is enough according to me for have a proper dinner. Come back again to physics and chemistry ka revision from 8:45 or 9. In this part you do question practice revision or any other backlogs, और जो सुबह आपने lecture सुना उसी को revise कर लो, उससे related आप concept solve कर लो. So that will be until 11 PM maximum. Dinner होने के बाद 8:45 और say 9 to 11 you are going to study again physics and chemistry. This is actually how my schedule was done कि सुबह से लेकर दोपहर तक पूरे classes होते थे, and if some teacher is absent then we used to revise his topic only at that 1 hour or 1.5 hour class. Brings to your total study hour of 10 to 11 hours daily. And after 11 don't even try to scroll phone, because 11 to 6 is again your sleep time and you do not want to actually give up and compromise on your sleeping time. And believe me, you would be so tired by 11 that you actually want to go to bed and just sleep and rot in bed. जब 11 बजे तक अपना पूरा शेड्यूल खत्म करती थी, आई वॉज जस्ट सो टायर्ड कि जिस बिस्तर में जाओ और जाके सो जाओ. want you to do this schedule for 21 days and come back to me and say कि यार this actually works, because it has worked wonders for me. Believe me, you follow this for 21 days, keep a target of continuing this schedule for 21 days and you will actually see the difference. So that's how you build and actually follow your daily schedule for NEET 2026. Keep it realistic, stay disciplined, review your progress every week. Remember, consistency is a key to becoming a topper. So yeah guys, this is how I used to study preparing for NEET 2025 and it has worked wonders for me and I hope it does for you too. Now tell me in the comment section below what subject actually you struggle with, physics, chemistry or biology. I will help you make it easier for you. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Bye bye.